until noon Mountain Standard Time today. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a dust storm warning, which is in effect until noon Mountain Standard Time today. The blowing dust advisory is no longer in effect. Affected area, northern Pinal County and southeast Maricopa County. Timing, through noon winds, south winds gusting to 45 miles per hour visibility, falling below 1/4 mile in packs. Motorists will have difficulty driving in low visibilities. Be ready for a sudden drop in visibility to near zero. If you encounter blowing dust or blowing sand on the roadway or see it approaching, pull off the road as far as possible and put your vehicle in park. Turn the lights all the way off and keep your foot off the brake pedal. Remember, pull aside, stay alive. You're listening to National Weather Service.
Oh my God, look outside, you guys.
94 in Phoenix, Arizona, serving south central Arizona.